Good more earnings, everyone. So we have that high energy to start the year. And of course, this is Rudolph Cruz zooming it live from Davao City. All right. So for tonight, I'm going to introduce a different approach. It's almost gonna be the same, but different approach in explaining how does iTerra Care works. All right. So let's start by introducing to everyone iTeracare. This is the most powerful wellness device in the market today. So kahit bagong taon na, but still, this is the most modern alternative approach towards wellness. Well, pagka January, di ba, ito yung everyone is inspired to be healthy. Di po ba? Yan yung mga nagpapaschedule sa mga gym. Kaya nako, full pack ang gymnasium ngayon na yung mga first week, second week. Okay? And hopefully, masustain yan all throughout the year. So kayo po ba, meron na kayong mga health regimen? Meron na ba kayong mga health goal na gusto yung simulan o next week na lang muna? Okay? So you better start achieving and doing the health goal that you have set for the year. And of course, yan ang ating talagang iti-treasure ang ating health. Sabi nga nila, health is wealth. Alright. So, syempre, pagka gusto natin i-improve ang ating health, so kailangan meron tayong gagamiting tool. Right? So, yung tool na yan, aside from diet, aside from exercise, so kailangan meron tayong gagamitin pa ng mga tools. And one of that is the iTerra Care. At ito nga po yung ini-introduce natin sa bawat isa and of course sa mga kakilala natin na hindi po pwedeng diet and exercise lang. Kailangan it's a combination. So kasama na rin dyan yung pag-take ng mga vitamins, mga supplements. So dapat holistic yung approach natin. Okay? Because itong iTerra Care, malaki ang may tutulong nito towards achieving our health goal for 2026. Okay? So you have a lot of choices. First of all, this is the iTerra Care Pro. This is the most heavy duty. Itong nasa left side po na yan. It is mostly used in clinics and wellness center. So mas marami na po mga clinic ngayon na gumagamit itong iTerra Care Pro. Right? So ini-incorporate na po nila ito sa massage nila, sa acupuncture, yung mga clinic and wellness center na nag-o-offer ng holistic health approach to the client. Dahil nga po ngayong January ay napakataas ng demand when it comes to wellness. Okay, so it's a good business nowadays. Okay, and of course, the most commonly used device is the classic. Yan, because of its affordability. Ito po yung kakayanin talaga ng budget natin. Of course, it is very reliable. Of course, the most modern version is the Premium Plus. This is much easy to use because it is compact, mas maliit, it's easy to maneuver, merong timer para hindi natin makalimutan na kailangan pala nating ilipat na doon sa other part of our body, yung pagbo-blower natin, because it has a beeping sound. So talagang magiging conscious tayo at magagawa natin ng tama yung ating mga basic protocol sa pagbo-blower. Okay? So it's not more focused on the product itself, but I want you to go deeper about knowing our iTerra Care. It's beyond the product, right? We are talking about technology concept. Dahil alam naman po natin that nowadays in our modern generation, grabe po ka-high-tech ang halos lahat na ng bagay. So kailangan pagdating sa health approach o sa wellness, kailangan high-tech din po ang gagawin natin o gagamitin natin, right? So it's more of the technology. At yan yung kailangan natin maintindihan. How does the product works? Dahil alam naman natin, marami tayong naririnig ng mga magagandang testimony. Di po ba? Sa unang kita natin sa ating iTerra Care blower, hinusgahan pa natin. Ano ba yan? Hair dryer lang yata yan eh. Pero grabe, na-amaze ka, no? Na bakit ganito? Napakasimpleng produkto lang naman, napakagaan, di ba? Parang ganyan to lang, pero it works amazingly, right? So bakit kaya? it's because of the technology behind the product. At yan po yung i-explain ko sa inyo. Actually, there are two concepts of this device, particularly the technology behind. The first concept is coming from Albert Einstein. Diba? Kilala naman natin na he is one of the greatest scientist that ever lived. Okay? And according to him, the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. At kailan ba yung future of medicine? And good news, it is right now already. Okay? Kaya lang masyadong technical yung pagkakasabi ni Einstein, di ba? About frequency. Because when we heard about medicine, ano bang po bang pumapasok sa isip natin? Mga natural approach, herbal, may mga vitamins, mga supplements, or mga OTC, mga over-the-counter na mga medicine, na mga piniprescribe sa atin ng ating mga doctors. Well, depende sa status ng sakit natin, right? Kung medyo hindi pa naman ganun kalala, we can take the alternative medicines, mga herbal, pero pagka medyo serious na yung sakit, hindi na po pwede. So, kailangan talaga yung mga piniprescribe na ng mga doctors. Well, that is the thought that we know about medicine. But dito sa sinabi ni Einstein, it's different. It's about frequencies and it is highly technical. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you para somehow maintindihan natin ano ba yung ibig sabihin ni Einstein. Okay, let me start by sharing to you the thought or the idea about the composition of our body. Okay, so dapat alam natin ano bang meron sa loob ng katawan natin. Okay, we know that we have organs, pero yun ba ang pinaka-basic unit ng ating katawan? Okay, let me start by introducing or telling you that our human body is composed of cells. Can you say it? Pakisabi nga po, cells. Yan. So our body is composed of trillions of cells. Napakarami, di ba? Familiar po ba yung word na billions and trillions? Okay. Sa politics, it's, di ba, commonly. Pero ang ating katawan ngayon is composed of trillions of cells. Napakarami. Right? Estimated 20 to 40 trillions of cells inside our body. We need to understand what is the cell. Okay, cell is the basic composition of our human body. Of course, what we know is the organ, the body system itself, right? So yun yung alam natin that our body is composed of heart, liver, pancreas, kidney, all right? So yung mga common na alam natin, yes, that is organ. But ano bang composition ng organ? Organ is composed of different kinds of tissues na pinagsama-sama. Okay, para ma-form yung organ. But it is not the basic unit. The basic unit is the cell. Tissue is composed of cells. So meaning to say, from the body organ na alam natin, ito yung katawan natin. Again, the basic unit of our body is the cell. And our cell is composed of trillions of cells, right? So try to imagine that napakaraming cells sa loob ng katawan natin. Okay, so para mas lalo nyong ma-visualize parang ganyan. Okay, so sa loob ng katawan natin, napakaraming ganyan. Trillions of cells, napakaliliit na part ng katawan natin. Because cells are the basic unit of life. And every living thing is made up of cells. Hindi lang ang human. Even yung mga bacteria, mga animals, basta living things is made up of cells. Okay, so our body is composed of trillions of cells. And also try to add in your imagination that every cell of all those trillions of cells is vibrating. So imagine niyo napakaraming cells inside the body and each cell is vibrating. So nagba-vibrate. Paano natin malalaman kung nagba-vibrate? Because we're still alive. Dahil pag huminto na sa vibration ng mga cells na yan, sabay-sabay yan na huminto sa pag-vibrate, then we are dead. So meaning to say, our body is vibrating because we are still alive and we are living. Okay. So, imagine natin, okay, ito na yung concept, no? We need to understand this. May papakita ako ng video. Imagine itong mga small dot na ito. Ito yung iba't ibang klase ng cell sa katawan natin. I will show you. Please observe carefully and try to see the difference. Okay? Okay? So imagine yan yung mga cells, trillions of cells sa katawan natin. So ano pong na-observe nyo? Okay, ulitin natin, ha? Anong na-observe nyo? Each cell is vibrating. But na-notice nyo, merong cells na malakas yung vibration at meron namang cell na mabagal ang vibration. Hindi pantay-pantay. Okay? So meaning to say, dapat pare-parehas siya ng vibration. Kaya lang, syempre, because of stress, yung pagod, mga worries, mga emotions natin, and mga health factors that causes yung ibang mga cells na mag-lessen down yung vibration nila. At doon pumapasok yung problema. Why? Because if there's a low cell vibration, humihina yung vibration ng cells natin, is equal to low cell frequency. Kasi yung frequency is the measurement of the vibration. Di ba? Gumagalaw yan, di ba? So, pag malakas ang galaw, yun ang normal, it's perfect. Pero pag humihina, baba ang vibration o baba ang frequency. And according to doctors, pagka bumaba ang vibration ng cells natin, dyan na magsisimula ang iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Meaning to say, yung paghina ng vibration ng cells natin, yun din yung nagsisignify ng humihina ang resistensya ng katawan natin. Right? Because our body is equipped with an immune system. Hindi tayo basta-basta mapapasok. If ever ng mga bacteria, viruses, and any kind of diseases, yan yung self-defense natin. Kaya lang, pag mahina ang immune system natin, natatalo tayo ng mga pumapasok ng mga bacteria and viruses. Right? So, kaya na-conclude ng mga scientists, ng mga doctors na pag bumababa ang frequency ng cells natin, diyan na mag-start ang problema natin sa katawan. So, yan yung basically the problem, the lowering of frequency because diyan na mag-start ang sakit. So, ano yung solution? The solution is, of course, kung ang problema is lowering of frequency, so the solution should be fine-tuning of the cell frequency. Kung mahina yung vibration, so kailangan ma-fine-tune siya into its normal vibration. Hindi naman kailangan masobrahan kasi baka maging superman naman tayo. Yung natural na frequency lang ng katawan natin. Kaya ang kailangan is fine-tuning. Okay, so may papakita akong video ulit sa inyo. Okay, para mas ma-widen and maging clearer yung imagination nyo. Look at this video. Okay? So, nakalagay dito yung number dito, 440 hertz. Okay, it is a measurement ng ng frequency. Meaning to say, pagkaparehas yung frequency, makikita nyo dito sa experiment. Okay, watch carefully. Nakikita nyo, gumalaw yung ping pong ball. Right? So, anong significant nitong video na ito? Okay, so ito po ay may kinalaman dito sa concept ng ating iTera Care para maintindihan natin na bakit gumamit nitong iTera Care, nag-improve yung health conditions. Eh, napakasimpleng device lang naman. So again, we are talking about technology here. Okay? So again, the problem is the lowering of frequency. And the solution is to fine-tune the frequency. At ano po ang makakagawa nun? Only iTera Care. Because iTera Care is a frequency device and it is the most modern solution. Ano ba ang meron sa iTera Care? It has terahertz. And yung terahertz po is na-discover ng mga scientists na yung kanyang vibration is parehas ng vibration ng katawan natin, ng cells natin. Remember, our cells is vibrating. And yung vibration na yon merong sukat. Yung sukat na yon ay parehas ng sukat ng vibration ng terahertz na lumalabas sa ating iTera Care device. Kaya ko pinakita yung device, yung demo kanina, na gumalaw yung ping pong ball, it's because dyan papasok yung concept ng resonance. Sabihin nyo nga po, resonance. Okay. Dahil the same yung frequency, ito na yung magiging solusyon natin to fine-tune yung ating frequency sa katawan natin. So makikita nyo po dyan yung illustration. Yan, yung iTera Care. Ang iTera Care is nag-i-emit ng terahertz at itong terahertz na to has the same vibration with our cells. So meaning to say, habang nagbo-blower ka, okay, tapos yung katawan mo mahina yung vibration. Eh dahil nag-blower ka, ipa-fine tune yung ng vibration ng cells ng katawan mo. At ito nga yung resonance na maintindihan natin do sa demo kanina. So habang nagbo-blower ka ng buong katawan mo, lahat ng tamaan niyan kung saan nakatutok yung nozzle na yun, nagre-resonate yung frequency, yung terahertz. So kung mahina yung vibration dun sa parte ng katawan mo, kaya madalas sumasakit yung shoulder mo, masakit ang ulo mo, kasi mahina yung vibration. Hindi functioning well ang cells. Pero pagka nag-blower ka, magkakaroon ng resonance, so mapapine tune. So imagine mo na lang, you are blowing all different parts of your body. So meaning to say, pinapine-tune mo ang iyong cell sa buong katawan mo. Imaginein mo all the trillions of cells inside your body is vibrating properly. So meaning to say, that is the state of peak performance, right? Achieving the prime of your life, di ba? Yun yung buenamano ko kanina, yung bungad ko sa inyo, di ba? So yun ang solusyon. That's why this is the modern approach towards wellness, the natural way, by using frequency, because ito yung sinasabi kanina ni Einstein na the future of medicine is the medicine of frequency. So ito po yung konsepto na maukuha natin. Just imagine, terahertz frequency resonates with the healthy human cells and vibrates at a rate of 100 million vibration per second. So just imagine in that. So yan po ang pinapine-tune ng iTera Care sa buong katawan natin. Kaya kung tatanungin nyo na pagka may sakit lang ba kaya magbo-blower? So based sa explanation, ano sagot? Hindi. So kahit na wala kang sakit, but when you feel that you are sick, when you feel that you are weak, yan, and medyo walang gana, walang energy, so kailangan i-fine tune. So mag-blower ka. So do it after work or while you are relaxing habang nanonood ng TV, sige, blower mo. Isabay mo na lang yan sa iyong sa relaxation period mo. At least you're doing two things at the same time. Di ba? Nagre-relax ka, nanonood ka ng TV, and at the same time, nagbo-blower ka. So, mas maganda po itong Premium Plus kasi medyo tahimik po ito. Okay, lalo na yung yung Pro Plus. Okay, so yun po yung mga target natin. And with that kind of concept, ganun din po ang meron na technology dito sa ating bagong produkto na MagnoSeek, because the future of intelligent wellness is MagnoSeek. Okay? Because this is using AI technology. Alam niyo naman yung AI, di ba? It's widely used, di ba? Sa school, sa medicine, in all aspect of our lives, there is AI. And of course, sa ating wellness, dapat high-tech din. Ito yung bago natin. Okay, so the same concept, it's about cellular vibrations. So pagka mahina yung vibration ng katawan natin, nadidetect itong nung MagnoSeek, because isusuot mo yung pinaka watch, di ba? So ito yung magde-detect, parang yung mga smartwatch na available ngayon, okay, yung wristband, okay? And then to the process of screening, okay, so madedetect nito kung ano yung kung saang part ng katawan na merong mahina yung vibration. Okay? Dahil syempre, sabi nga natin, pag magbo-blower ka, buti kung you have the luxury of time every day na ma-blower mo yung buong katawan mo. Of course, it will take time. Pero kung gusto mong malaman specifically, saan bang parte ng katawan mo ang medyo low ang vibration ng mga cells? Remember, trillions of cells inside our body. And which cell is not functioning? So, ito po yung makakadetect. Kumbaga, dyan ba sa parte ng puso mo, sa parte ng liver mo, sa lipod mo, kung bakit baka mo sumasakit, yan. Madidetect niya po kung saan yung may mga energy imbalances. Right? So, kaya pagka na-detect nito, malalaman mo, dito pala sa left, sa left shoulder ko, meron palang mahina na vibration dito. So, doon ka magpo-focus ngayon ng blower. Kaya perfect combination ay itong Magnosip at itong ating iTerra Care blower. Alright? So, that is the first concept. The second concept is about heat. Ito naman po ay galing kay Hippocrates. Okay, siya naman po ay ating ancient father of medicine. Okay, lahat ng doktor kilala yan. Okay? It's because yung kanyang na-contribute in terms of the sa medicine. Sabi niya dito, if there's a way to heat the bones, then all diseases can be treated. This is a very good concept. Okay, this is a hope to those that is already hopeless. Lalo yung mga maintenance na for quite some time, di ba? At ngayong 2026, ang target mo sana mabawasan man lang yung mga iniinom mong maintenance medicine. Well, tingnan na po natin. Basta you just keep the hope. Okay? Dahil sabi ni Hippocrates, posibleng gumaling ang lahat ng klase ng sakit. There's a possibility. And of course, all possibility, i-claim natin yan. Right? So, ang tanong, paano? Sabi niya, kung may paraan daw na mainitan ang buto. Okay, there's a way to hit the bones. But another question is, how can we hit the bones without burning the skin? Siyempre, no? Nasa loob yung bones at ang pinaka point of entry is the skin. Well, dyan po papasok ang iTerra Care. It's another wonders na kayang magawa ng iTerra Care. Why? Because one of the feature of our iTerra Care is penetration. The heat and the terahertz that is being emitted by the device can penetrate 20 to 30 centimeter. Isang ruler po yan. So, as you can see, dyan po sa inyong screen, so nagbo-blower po kayo dyan sa shoulder. So, yun pong heat ay hindi lang hanggang skin, hindi lang hanggang muscle level. It will penetrate hanggang sa bone level without burning your skin. Okay, mas komportable pa nga yung skin, mas favorable and mas beneficial pa nga po yan sa skin. Okay. And what is the importance of heating the bone? Because yun yung concept na sinabi ni Hippocrates. Well, here it is. Once po na ang bone, especially the bone marrow, ay nainitan, na-activate po ang stem cell natin. Sounds familiar? Okay, yan pong stem cell ay na-discover din po yan. It's a technology. Okay, so medyo controversial lang po yung stem cell na yan. But of course, it's widely known and widely used already. Kaya lang very, very expensive. But it's very effective. Okay? So, mag-i-inject ng stem cell. Hindi natin alam kung source ng mga stem cell na ini-inject. Okay? And ito yung magpaparenew, magpaparegenerate sa loob ng katawan natin. Okay? Because yung ibang may mga matitinding klase ng sakit, highly deteriorated na yung mga cells nila. Kaya kailangan mag-infuse ng mga stem cells. Okay? Yun yung expensive na procedure. But good news, by using iTeracare, when you blow your bone marrow, specifically dyan sa spine natin, na-activate po yung sarili nating stem cell. So habang nagbo-blower po kayo, at least 15 minutes sa likod po natin, na-activate ang mga stem cells. At itong stem cells, ito po ang gagamitin ng katawan to repair itself. Kaya ito yung sinasabi ni Hippocrates na kung may paraan para mainitan ang buto, pwedeng gumaling. Because repair of the body organs, halimbawa, ang kidney is functioning 80% na lang. So, through the stem cells na maa-activate sa sariling system, yun ang gagamitin para i-repair. Yung 80% functionality, magiging 81, 82. And of course, it's a process. It's a healing process, but it is a natural healing process that is going to happen inside our body. Basta ang role lang natin is to blow our bone marrow, specifically the spine, every day. So para activated ang mga cells po natin. Okay? So yan po ang secret to healing. So it's not the Itera Care na nagpapagaling. It's about our own body system because our body is created by God as perfect system. It can heal itself. Okay, so yun po yung pinaka-concept. And there's a lot of benefits of heating the body. Kaya isa po dito yung very powerful painkiller. So instead of taking mga pain killer na mga over-the-counter, mga pills, yan, alam naman natin may side effect yan. So kung if you can withstand yung natural way, the better. Okay? So iTeracare is best for against various inflammation, the discomfort in the body, di po ba? Pagka may nararamdaman ka sa katawan mo, hindi ka makapagtrabaho, makapagnegosyo ng maayos, di po ba? It's bothering you. So, kailangan may solution ka. So, ito na pong iTera Care. And of course, itong nakaraang Christmas season, ang dami nating ipinasok na mga fats, mga sugar sa katawan natin. So, lahat po ba yan, nailabas nyo na, na-detox nyo na yan? Kung hindi, nasaan yung mga kinain natin? Nasa loob pa lang katawan. And it has the tendency to block or cause the blockages inside the body, particularly sa mga veins natin. So, kailangan ma-detox yan, mawala yan, ma-clear yung lymphatic system natin. So, what's the best way? The best tool to use? Of course, it's eye therapy. And it's not just that. We want also that this year, isa sa mga New Year's resolution natin ay gumanda tayo or gumawa po tayo. At isa yan sa pwedeng maibigay ng iTera Care. So the question is, paano ba gagamitin yung iTera Care? Lalo po sa mga bago. This how it works. Yan. Ito po ay video sa wellness center sa ibang bansa. Kasi as I mentioned a while ago, ginagamit po ito sa mga clinic and wellness center. So yan po, i-blower po muna ang kamay, ang paa. Okay? And before i-blower, yung spine. Ayan, ganyan po yan, diretso. Mas maganda po yung ganyan yung gagawin. Yung wala kayong suot na damit, para mas lalong na-feel nyo yung init na pumapasok sa muscles nyo. Wow, it's very comforting, very relaxing. But kung medyo hassle, kulang sa time, hindi posible yung ganyan, so do the practical way. Okay, kahit na nakaupo ka lang with your clothes on, yan, pwede po kayong magpa-blower sa family member nyo or kahit kayo na mismo ang mag-blower. Sabi ko nga po kanina, kahit nanonood kayo ng TV, yan, sabayan nyo na po ng pag-blower. Okay? And of course, don't be afraid to use it sa mga kids, sa infants, because malaking tulong po yan sa kanilang digestion para mawala po yung mga gas espasa. And of course, syempre, sa pampabeauty, use it in your face. Right? So, one more important thing is for you to charge the water. Okay, dahil meron pong nangyayari sa ordinary water na iniinom natin pagka na-charge po natin. Nagiging structured water po siya. At yan na magiging sikreto for a better absorption. Kasi hindi po, halimbawa, uminom kayo ng isang glass of water, hindi naman lahat yan a-absorb ng body natin. Yes, we taken it internally, pero it's not being absorbed by the body. So, diretso lang siya sa ating gallbladder, diretso lang siya sa pag-urinate natin. The most important thing when we drink water is for us to have the full hydration. Yung ma-absorb ng katawan natin, yung oxygen content ng water. At mangyayari yan when you charge the water. Right? At ito po makikita nyo, there's a lot of benefits of drinking the water. So ito po yung mga basic protocol, especially sa mga first-timer. So wag nyo pong isa-shortcut. Wag pong diretso agad ng pagbo-blower sa kung saan saang parte ng katawan. Much better po. We highly recommend that you follow this initially. Okay, para po mabawasan yung mga after effect. Okay? yung mga healing crisis na tinatawag natin because our body is not used to heat. Di po ba? Sino ba naman ang may gusto ng naiinitan yung katawan? So, hindi tayo sanay. But this time, ito yung gagamitin natin towards wellness. So, kailangan i-introduce muna natin sa katawan natin. So, we need to drink 2 glasses of warm water. And then, first po na i-blower ang palm and sole of the feet because of the principle about reflexology na ang ating kamay at paa is composed of different nerves that is directly connected to different organs of the body. So by blowing our hands and our feet, it is already stimulating the different organs in the body, which is yun yung importante. May stimulate yung iba't ibang organ ng body. And then, i-blower nyo po yan sa different parts of the body. Okay? Na nandito po sa basic protocol natin. And after that, don't forget to drink charged water. Okay? Para hindi po kayo ma-dehydrate. Okay? And meron po tayong disclaimer that our device is not a medical device. It is a certified household electrical equipment. So as I've explained a while ago, hindi po ito ang nagpapagaling, but it's our own body system. I will run you through some of the testimonial. So, unahin na po natin yung for skin and hair beautification. Yan. So, hindi lang mga Pilipino, hindi lang mga Asian, but mga Europeans and mga Americans are really fond of using iTera Care for their hair and skin and facial beautification. So, pwede nyo rin pong subukan sa hair regrowth, yung may mga HIV, hair is vanishing. Yan. So, pwede po. Basta i-massage nyo lang sa inyong scalp, di ba? Para ma-activate yung mga follicles, mawala yung blockage. So, para may tumubo pa dyan. So, pwede rin yan sa mga hair color restoration. Yan. So, makikita po natin dyan, sinimulan niya December 2022. Yan, white. And then, after 5 months, May, naghahalo na, may white na, tsaka may black. So, parang gray na. And on December, okay, 2023. So, after a year, nakita nyo naman, change to black already ang color. Alright? So, try, subukan, hair regrowth and hair color restoration. So, pwede rin yan po sa mga skin problems, sa itchiness. Yan, malaking tulong. Okay? Doesn't guarantee, but it surely will help lessen the itchiness and continuous usage. Tulad dito, 2 weeks. Yan, makikita nyo naman po yung improvement. Instead of taking yung mga lotion, mga cream na may content po ng iba't ibang klase ng chemical. So ito, natural approach. Even yung mga worst skin problems like psoriasis, yan, it can help po. Yan. Okay? Yan, mga worst after 7 days, 9 days, 22 days, continuous usage. And of course, para po sa mga cases na may mga Bell's palsy, yan po yung example ng paralysis ng facial muscle. Yan. Makakatulong po yan. Of course, sa mga inflammation, especially sa gout, this is my personal testimony. Kakakain ng mga internals and of course, high consumption of peat. Yan. So, nako-convert into uric crystal. Okay? So, naiipon po yan sa mga joint. Yan. Kaya, ang end result niyan, swollen big toe. Of course, pagka wala kang iTera Care, automatic yan, mga painkiller, kasi talaga pong masakit yan, yung ganyang situation. But of course, you don't want as much as possible na mag-take ng mga pills na ganyan. So, natural approach is to use iTera Care. So, makikita nyo po dito, more than 24 hours, bumalik na po sa dati without taking any pills. And this is also another example of swollen foot. Ayan. So, after, ayan na. See? And what else? Parkinson disease. Here, it is a testimony in the US.
Hi, I'm Mary
Tama po
Mason.
yan.
My age is 76.
Okay, shortcut ko po yung video.
This is
Yan,
what
makita
I'm
nyo?
like
Dito ba?
at the start
Obvious
of
na
the session.
obvious. Suffering
You'll
from
see
Parkinson
very soon
disease.
how it
So, after
affects
using a blower,
and stops the shaking.
okay, stop natin. Ito na po yung after.
Definitely start
See the
vibrating.
difference?
So it's not a
Wow,
matter of being
palakpakan
tensed
naman
up
po
and
natin.
everything.
Yan. Yan po
as
yung
you can
mga
see,
prominent na
totally
challenges ng mga
100%
Americans, the Parkinson. So after
shake-free.
using Itera Care, straight na yung kamay niya. Alright. So what else? Para po sa mga elderly na male, yan. Pagkaingatan na po natin ang prostate. So kung kayo po ay 50 years old and above, so kailangan annual na po ang check-up sa inyong urologist, at ang babantayan po natin dyan ay ang PSA, the prostate specific antigen, to prevent prostate enlargement. And ang worst, magdiretso ng prostate cancer. Okay? So, kailangan monitor na. So makakatulong po yan pag blower ng ating groin area every day. Okay? And then, for weight management, yan ang goal for this year, to reduce weight. Right? So, kailangan ma-incorporate yung Itera Care. Sabi ko nga po, it's not enough yung diet lang and exercise. So, kailangan meron kang gagamitin na Itera Care. So, another testimony is this one in the United States. She is Stacy Mary. Okay, weight loss. So makikita nyo naman dyan. Very obvious. Ayan. So from triple XL, siguro XL na lang siya ngayon. So di ba, may improvement. Okay, baka ngayon na large na yung size niya. So it's a very, very big improvement. All right. So those are results of using Itera Care and taking a lot of Itera Care, not Itera Care, products. May marami po tayong mga iba't ibang klase ng devices, may mga nut, uh, nutraceuticals, okay? Din po tayong mga available. Okay, so per country po ang availability nito. Okay, so how much is the price? So it's 380 ang price po ng Classic. Okay, for in the Philippines. So in the US is 420, in the Middle East 500. So if you can see, iba-iba po ang presyo, depende po sa country. It is due to taxes and duties. Okay, so here in the Philippines, ito po yung presyo in Philippine peso. Okay, so pwede nyo pong screenshot yan, puna ng picture, or mag-request po kayo sa taong nag-invite po sa inyo magkano ba ang presyo dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So pagka kayo po ay nag-purchase, so kasama po dyan ang 1-year product warranty. At iba pong mga produkto, umaabot hanggang 2 years yung warranty. And also, meron din po yung product liability insurance amounting to $1 million. It is for your peace of mind. It only shows the safety and efficacy of our product. Okay. So, pagbili nyo ng produkto, aside dun sa mga benefits na makukuha nyo, meron po yung kasamang product pin. Okay. Ibig sabihin, bawat po yung produktong bibili nyo, may corresponding point value o yung PB. Yung pong product pin na yan po yung i-register nyo. Okay. For what purpose? Para po magkaroon kayo ng source of income. Dahil syempre, pag ginamit nyo yung produkto, kwento kayo, syempre, tatanungin ng mga kamag-anak nyo, kaibigan nyo, alam mo yung ginamit mo, gwapo mo ngayon, o nag-improve yung ganito mo. Syempre, sabihin mo, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Isa lang tatanungin sa iyo yan, saan ba ako pwede makabili niyan? So, you might as well take advantage of that situation. Okay? So, mas maganda, register ka, dahil pagka sila ay bumili, meron ka makukuha na incentive. Okay? So, depende sa product na binili mo, yung mga entry packages. We only have 3 kinds of packages: the silver, gold, and the diamond. Okay, so kung binili mo yung pinaka-basic unit, yung classic, merong 200 point value. So, equivalent niyan is silver. Kung binili mo naman yon, yung pinaka-magandang produkto, yung bago, na violet, yung purple, equivalent yan is 400 plus sinamahan mo pa ng ion shield. Yan yung nag-i-emit ng millions of negative ions. So, total point value niyan ay 600. Okay? So, pag niregister mo yun, gold yung yung iyong package. Or kung bumili ka naman ng mga high-end na mga produkto, mataas point value nun, equivalent nun is entry package. Sa simula, it doesn't matter. Okay? Dahil, syempre, sa una, sabi mo, ay, hindi naman ako seryoso mag-negosyo, gusto ko lang gumamit ng product. But you will never know. Dahil pagka nakagamit ka na, nag-effective sa'yo, normal sa'yo, na ichichika mo yan. Di ba? At syempre, gusto mo naman na mabawi mo rin. yung pinambili mo. So, the better way is for you to register. Okay, so at sa pag-register mo, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mo na back office. Okay, na nandiyan lahat ng kailangan mo. Yung listahan ng mga office na kung saan makakakuha ng produkto sa buong mundo, contact person, address, contact number, it's there. Kasi baka meron kang kamag-anak, kaibigan sa ibang bansa na alam mo nagsasuffer, may health challenges, why don't you refer? Malay mo, kapitbahay niya lang yung opisina ng Itera Care. Diba? So, nandyan po niya makikita yan. And mga inventory and the procedures on how to order. Okay, dahil seamless po ang ating negosyo. Okay, kahit anywhere in around the globe, madali pong i-process ang transaksyon. Okay? At yun pong mga rewards nyo, dyan din po yan papasok sa loob ng inyong portal. Alright. So for example, nakaregister na kayo, yung pinaka-basic lang, silver. Normal yan. Automatic yan. Pagka maganda naging epekto sa iyo, kwento-kwento pa yan. At pagka may bumili sa inyo, the same perks and benefits. Meron siyang warranty, meron siyang entitled siya sa insurance, and of course, meron din siyang product fee. Pag niregister yun, kakailanganin nyo ng sponsor. At sinong sponsor? Siyempre, ikaw yung nag-refer. So, nagkakaroon ka ng reward because of your referral. Kapag nag-register siya, what is your benefits? Meron kang sponsorship bonus of $20. Okay? And of course, meron ka rin loyalty redemption points. Kumbaga, yung points na yan ay iipunin mo yan. Dahil di ba pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, ang daming mga produkto, may kanya-kanyang presyo yan. So yung points na iniipon mo, i-check mo lang doon sa listahan, ano ba yung gusto mong i-acquire. Okay, halimbawa, nasa 500 points o yung presyo, okay, na gusto mong product na makuha, ipunin mo lang yung points, let's say 500 points. Because each point has an equivalent $1. 1 point equals $1. So kung 500 points yung naipon mo, equivalent yan $500. So yun ngayon yung gagamitin mo pang-redeem ng iba't ibang klaseng produkto na gusto mo ma-acquire. So, halimbawa ngayon, gusto mo yung BioLite, nasa $1,200 yun. Okay? And then, naku, mahal, wala kang budget. So gawin mo, ipunin mo yung points mo hanggang sa makaabot ka ng 1,200 points. At yung 1,200 points equivalent to $1,200. So you can now redeem the BioLite. Okay? So more points, more chances that you can get all and different kinds of Prime products. Okay? And then, na-duplicate mo yung ginawa mo. Meron ka rin na-refer and everything. So, makukuha mo ulit sponsorship bonus, loyalty redemptions point. So, mas maraming points na pumapasok sa'yo. And it's all recorded there inside your portal. Ito po, maganda dyan. Pag nag-pair yan, kasi dalawa lang yung place na pagre-registeran mo niyan. Left at saka sa right. Pareho mo nang na-register sa left at sa right, right? So, ngayon, magkakaroon ka pa ng pairing, yung tinatawag nating level pairing bonus of how much? $80. So in total, ang nakuha mo na compensation or rewards is 14,000. So just imagine, bumili ka ng produkto na to earn. Bumili ka ng produkto because you have health concern, right? Pero ngayon, bumalik pa. May bonus pa. At hindi lang dyan natatapos yan. Dahil pagka ang mga bumili sa'yo ay yung mga high-end na mga produkto, mataas ang points noon. Kung mataas ang points, mataas ang rewards mo, mas mataas ang compensation na babalik sa'yo. Example po niyan ay ayan, 176,000. Just imagine. Bumili ka ng produkto for your health, pero ngayon, hindi lang for the health. Right? Double blessing. You are blessed already sa health mo, you are also blessed financially. Right? So, yan po ang pupwedeng maibigay. So, this is a good start for all of us this 2026 to get that double blessing that is in store to all of us. Okay? So, yan pong in-explain ko na yan. Yan po yung tatlo na fast-track income. But in totality, 8 po yan na iba't ibang ways to earn. Okay, na ito po ay mapapakinggan nyo yung full presentation sa ibang mga schedule, particularly Thursday night, pagka si CTO Nathan ang nag-explain, i-explain yan in details lahat. Okay? But for us, yun lang pong introduction para mas lalo ma-absorb po natin. Okay? So, I'm into closing already. So let me remind everyone that one iTera Care device per household will bring life to every home. Share po natin sa mga kamag-anak natin. Because you will be an angel to those people that you know. Dahil ang sarap pong pakinggan, nasasabihin sa inyo na, ay, naku, anghel ka sa buhay ko. Diba? For the first time in your life, may magsasabi sa inyo, anghel ka. Why? Because you brought hope to those people that you love. Kasi po, ang maraming may mga health challenges ngayon. Okay? At kayo ang magiging susi towards their health improvement. Okay? So it's always a good day to change lives. All right?